Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a crew in Blox Fruits Mobile. Alright, let's begin. Open Blox Fruits and tap the skull icon to access the Create Crew menu. Select the name box, enter your crew name, then press Return or Done to confirm. Next, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Tap Continue in Browser, then sign in if needed. Tap Create at the top. Open the side menu and tap the back button. Select Store. Move the top menu left, then select Decals. Tap the search box, type what you want for your crew logo, then press Return. To refine results, tap the 3-line button next to the search box, enter Filters, then tap Search. Select an image, then tap Get Decal to add it to your inventory. This step is optional. Go to the bottom, tap the address bar, then tap again and select Copy. Return to Blox Fruits, select the logo link box, tap again, then select Paste. Press Return to confirm, and your crew logo will appear. Tap Create. Note that you must be at least level 300 to create a crew. So that's basically how you can make a crew in Blox Fruits Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.